Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can convert USD to PHP in your GCash Virtual US account. So, let's dive in. Now, once you've already received USD into your GCash Virtual US account, you can easily convert those dollars to pesos whenever you need them and move them into your main GCash wallet. That way, you get PHP funds for everyday spending or transfers. Now, inside the GCash app, you want to click on View All, and then you're going to have to scroll all the way down and choose US account. Now, you're going to have to go to your US virtual account dashboard and look for the withdraw option. You want to tap that, and from here, simply enter how much USD you want to convert to PHP, and then tap Next. The app will show you the current conversion rate at the time of withdrawal, and it's important to check this so you know how many passes you'll get. After you confirm that you're good with the rate, tap Next again, review all the details, and then tap Confirm. If prompted, just simply enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone for security, and then tap Submit. The converted amount in pesos will be credited instantly to your GCash wallet once the transaction goes through, and you'll see a confirmation in the app. Now, this conversion doesn't involve extra fees from GCash, although your wallet's usual limits still apply when moving funds into PHP. And basically, that's about it. It's easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!